Hi everyone, welcome to Lenovo booth, ISE 2020. We are presenting our video conference solutions. We already showed a few other products, and now we have the ThinkSmart Hub 500 here for you. All-in-one solution. You can put this in a small room, Huddle rooms. You have microphones. You have here speakers, control panel, and the supercompute from Lenovo. You have here cable management, ports, USB ports, if you want to add additional microphones, additional speakers to go for a larger room. HDMI in, 2 screens possible, HDMI ingest to start collaborating. Teams, Zoom ready. All the meetings will be appearing here that is scheduled for this room. Just press a button and you join it and start collaborating. Lenovo website, lenovo.com. Feel free to join us and know more about our solutions.